They lied to you. For decades, the system has fed you a poison pill wrapped in a paycheck. They told you that if you trade your time for money, if you sacrifice your Monday through Friday, you will eventually buy your freedom. But look around. How many people do you know who worked hard their entire lives only to retire tired, broke, and broken? Here is the brutal truth the banks and the 9-to-5 machine do not want you to know. You cannot work your way to wealth. You can only build your way there. Today, we are deleting the employee mindset. I am going to show you the 5 proven mechanisms to generate passive income. But we are not just listing them. I am going to break down the 2 foundational systems, the cash flow engine and the wealth compounder, that power them all. If you watch this video until the end, you will not just have a list. You will have a blueprint to exit the rat race forever. The first and most accessible way to generate passive income in the modern economy is by building an automated value ecosystem. This covers our first 2 income methods, digital products and programmatic affiliate marketing. Why is this the foundation? Because before you can invest in stocks or real estate, you need cash flow. You need an injection of capital that is decoupled from your time. Most people think passive income means doing nothing. That is a lie. Passive income is front-loaded effort. You work once and you get paid forever. The most efficient vehicle for this is the concept of zero marginal cost. If you bake a loaf of bread and sell it, you have to bake another one to sell it again. That is active income. It does not scale. But if you create a digital solution, a template, a course, or a software tool, you create it once. Whether one person buys it or 1 million people buy it, your cost of reproduction is zero. This is the holy grail of freedom finance. Now, I know what you are thinking. This sounds great, but the technical setup seems impossible. You understand the logic of the automated value ecosystem, but the mechanics, the funnels, the email sequences, the traffic generation, that is where people get stuck. You can spend 3 years trying to figure this out through trial and error, losing money and time. Or you can shortcut the learning curve entirely. If you are serious about building a predictable, automated income stream, you need a proven blueprint. Check the link in the description below to access the wealth system and stop guessing with your financial future. Once you have established your foundation, once cash is flowing in from your digital assets, you face a new problem. Inflation is eating your cash. Leaving money in a bank account is not saving. It is slowly losing wealth. This brings us to the scaling strategy. This section encompasses income methods 3, 4, and 5, dividend growth investing, real estate investment trusts, and automated index stacking. This is the phase where you stop working for money and money starts working for you. To execute the scaling strategy, you need a powerhouse platform. You need access to global markets, low fees, and advanced trading tools. That is why the smart money uses Interactive Brokers. IBKR is the gold standard for serious investors. Whether you want to buy U.S. stocks, European real estate trusts, or Asian ETFs, Interactive Brokers gives you direct access to over 150 markets worldwide. Click the link in the description to sign up and start building your compounding engine today. Information without execution is just entertainment. You can watch 100 videos like this, nod your head, and go back to scrolling social media. Or you can decide that today is day one. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but the cost of inaction has never been higher. Own your time, own your assets, own your future. I will see you in the next one.